Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is white rum and ginger ale. So pause this video if you need to, grab yourself a drink, come back, and let's talk. So for today's video, this is actually a requested video. I haven't done one of these in a while, I don't think. But on my last video, I was talking about bigger girls, bigger vaginas. Y'all ran that video up. Shout out to all of you. Thank you so much. We're at over 5,000 views and I love that for us. So in the video, I talked about tightness and how I prefer to keep my vagina nice and tight. And a commenter asked me, I want to read the actual comment. Let me find it for you, babes, because I was like, you know what? I could definitely do that. Okay, here we go. So the comment said, interesting. Thank you so much. Please make a video on how to do Kegel exercise. And I said, I definitely can, babe, because I definitely can. Okay. So really quick, what is a Kegel exercise? A Kegel exercise is a lower body workout that you do to tighten and strengthen your vaginal walls and your floor, vaginal floor, cervical floor, vaginal, the walls, the lining. It strengthens it and it makes your vagina tight. That's it. That's all I can tell you. I can't give you the scientific facts. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm drinking. My bad, baby. That's not even an excuse because you're here to provide information for the people and that's your reasoning. Ugh. I hate that for me. Anyways, so Kegels, like I said in that video, I already have 2 kids. One's gonna be 13 in January. One just turned 10 this past June. My kids are getting grown. They're like almost my height right now, okay? Now, what I said in the video was after I had kids, like immediately after I popped baby number 1 out of my cooch, my doctor was like, Lori, Kegels, start doing your Kegels. Tighten that back up, get yourself back snatched, okay? Okay, heard those words from him, took it as gospel. He did not disappoint. He was not wrong. He did not lie. If you've had kids vaginally, to get that snap back, it's not going to be any teas or any herbs or any steams or any douches. It's going to be you doing your Kegel exercises, and that's just you squeezing. I don't know how to describe it. Squeeze your vagina without squeezing your anus, because if you start squeezing your anus, then you're doing too much. You need to try to focus on just your vagina. Like right now, look, throb, 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 throb. And I have a video on this called Quincing Your Vagina, and that's the whole quincing thing is when you're actually having intercourse and you have the penis inside you and you're doing that they call it here in America, it's a muscle grip thingy. No, it's quincing, okay? Or a Kegel. All right, now on my Naked Sunday Toys page, because if you don't know, I do sell sex toys. You're welcome. On that page, I did post a video of a TikToker doing a round of Kegels, right? So it's like squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze and hold and release. It's a whole thing. I'll leave the link down below so you can find the Instagram post and, you know, do your own Kegel exercise as well. But with doing Kegels, like I said, it tightens and it strengthens. So you know how sometimes, let's say you have to pee really bad, you're able to hold it without peeing on yourself. If you can't hold it, there's a problem. Okay, but you could also do Kegels with a yoni egg. I have a yoni egg. I got mine from my good girlfriend Kimmy Lavage. She also sells sex toys. She's actually put me onto the sex toy game. So shout out to my girl, because cannot thank her enough for that. She also makes edibles. Good girl. all around. She was on a video with me, like one of my most popular videos with, I believe it's called My First Anal Experience. That's Kimmy Lavage. So again, I got my yoni egg from her, and I want to say it's the small one because it's like literally, I'm not gonna put it on camera, but it's literally like this big. Maybe I should put it on camera. No, I do have a video with it on camera already. I'll link that somewhere so you can see it. But it's on a string, it's blue. I charged it in sea salt under the full moon, so it gives me all the healing properties that it's supposed to. And I just pop that in like every now and then. I'll pop it in like on a Sunday when I'm home and have nothing else to do. Pop it in, walk around, and make sure that you hold it up. Okay, that's going to help to strengthen those walls and those muscles. Kegel exercises are great as well for when you're having actual intercourse, because your vagina is now tighter, right? So no matter how small, I'm not gonna say how big, no matter how small your partner is, when they are entering you, you're going to feel every inch, every diameter, every pound of him, and he is going to enjoy every bit of you, okay? Because again, the head of the penis is the most sensitive, so that part just going in, love it, love it. And then again, I know I drink a lot of alcohol, but I also drink a lot of water just to balance it out, just to make sure that when it's game time, I'm flooding the room, okay? You have to make sure that you're super wet as well. I know, ladies, it's a lot for us. It's a lot, it's a lot, it's a lot. But it's not just for him, it's for you as well. For you to enjoy yourself, babes. When it's tighter, it's nicer, okay? Okay. I don't think there's anything else I can say about Kegels, honestly. Like, just do it. Just do it. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Do this throughout the day. Do this while you're working out. I love to do this when I'm going for my walks. Like, Kegel, 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 Kegel. Like, you're just standing there waiting in line at the register. Do some Kegels. There's never a wrong time. Nobody's gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
Do your Kegels. Have a great sex life. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. I was short I break that just a while ago. That's why I sound like that. Bye.